If you're just starting out your mobile app development journey today but don't want to learn any code, don't worry. I'm here to give you the top 2 and only 2 no-code tools you need to build your very own mobile apps today. I guarantee that if you use these 2 no-code software, you will have made your very first app by the end of today. Alright, so enough talking, let's get into the real juice right now. The first no-code software that I highly recommend for you to use is FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is a completely free no-code platform built by ex-Google engineers that is run on the Flutter framework. It makes building cross-platform mobile apps a breeze as it simplifies the complex coding, language and complexities into a simple drag-and-drop interface which we all know and love. It also comes with numerous pre-made templates which you can use to fast-track your app development process. For more complex apps which require custom design or even custom functionality, don't worry. FlutterFlow also has the option to include custom code seamlessly within their framework. Even better yet, these custom code can even be written by AI completely. So, as you can see, FlutterFlow is the perfect tool which solves the problem of needing to learn how to code, which could take you years to learn and even more years to master.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
It makes app development much more accessible to beginners without compromising on quality or performance. Take a look at AB Money Meditation. This app was completely built using FlutterFlow and has garnered over 250,000 users, earning the title as the FlutterFlow App of the Year. With over 300 reviews in the App Store and a 4.7 star rating, it goes to show how no-code platforms such as FlutterFlow should not be underestimated at all. The world is changing, and even people with no coding experience whatsoever are able to build and develop stunningly designed and fully functional mobile apps. You can even release them on the App Store or Google Play Store, and all it takes is a good idea. That's why I think FlutterFlow is one of the best, if not the best, no-code mobile app development platforms for both beginners and experts alike. However, FlutterFlow would not be as powerful as it is without the next no-code tool coming right up, and that is Superbase. What is Superbase, may ask? Well, Superbase is a completely free next-generation no-code to low-code backend database platform. In simple terms, it allows you to store and retrieve data from your app. Superbase connects seamlessly with FlutterFlow. It just takes a few clicks of the mouse, and it takes less than 5 minutes to set up. All you have to do is register and then sign in. Although there are times where you may find yourself needing to write a line or two of code, with Superbase, it is much easier to pick up compared to the traditional SQL databases, which is lines and lines of code. Trust me, I've tried it before. And Superbase is so much better, so much easier and faster. Superbase packages everything data related into nice visual and easily accessible tables, similar to Microsoft Excel, which I'm sure many of you have used before. And this allows beginners to understand exactly what is going on and pick up extremely quickly as well. So you can see FlutterFlow and Superbase are truly a pair made in heaven. They are absolutely the only 2 no-code platform tools you need to start developing your own mobile apps today. What took me months on end to create a simple app using traditional coding platforms now only takes me 2 weeks, just 2 weeks to finish an app. If you are still hesitant or skeptical about trying no-code out, just give it a go anyways. Unlike traditional code platforms, it only takes you about 2 weeks on average to pick up, so you wouldn't even be wasting that much of your time if you decide to try it out and you find out that it's not for you. But who knows, maybe no code really is just right for you, and you could release your app on the App Store and become the next millionaire. Alright, so if you're looking to start on your no-code journey today, check out this video on how to build your first app in FlutterFlow in just 10 minutes. If that video is not for you and you want to try out something more advanced maybe, try out this video where you can build your own simple notes app in FlutterFlow and Superbase. Alright, that's it for the video, and I wish you the best on your no-code app development journey. See you around.